Hey guys, so today my problem is I have a airbag light on. So what I have is this Autel device, ML619, got it from Amazon. So when I scan it, I have this B2232 airbag front driver's side. And when I Google that, it says that the clock spring on this tire wheel, steering wheel, the circuit inside is worn out. So first thing I would do is to unplug the battery. So then I got a quarter socket with a 10 millimeter, and I'm just gonna unplug the negative side of the battery. All right, let's do it. All right, so after I took off the negative from the battery in order to take this airbag out, go to the side of the steering wheel. You will have a plastic rubber plug here. Just stick your finger, pry it out with your nails. It's a 10 ml socket on this side, 10 millimeter on this side and the other side. So we'll just take it right off right now. All right, same as the other side. So the airbag slides right off. Okay, so then we're going to flip this around. In order to take these tabs out, I have to get a little pick, and the black part pops up, and then we just pick it up. Okay, so you take the pick like this, pop it up like so, and then you just pull it out of the socket. Okay, put that to the side. Next is, let's see which one of these come out. This white one comes out. Just the push tab, you push down here on the bottom, pull it up. I think oops, so the black one stays. Let's find out what size this is. So that bolt was a 21 millimeter. Just used a impact gun and just zap it out. Let's pull this out. Okay, be careful of this. There we go, put that on the side. So this is the part that we need to replace. So there's 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3. I need to unplug this, and then there should be 1 here. Yeah, there's these 2 right here. Those are Phillips screwdriver, and then you just pull this down, and then we'll see what we got. All right, let's do this. All right, so there's 2 screws on the bottom with just Phillips head, pretty easy. And then you gotta take 2 hands, one on top, one on bottom, and just Superman it, and it pops right open. and then the bottom you just pull it out right there. 1, 2, and 3 Phillips head screw, and then this comes out. This seems pretty loose. All right, let's take this sucker out. Okay, so there are 2 plugs on the bottom. All right, so it looks like this, and then you just pull this down, flip it to the side to get to the back, and then there's 2 tabs, and then you just pluck them out. All right, on to the next step. So I have it out, and this is the new part. Oops. This way. So it looks like it doesn't have this back piece here. So let's see how we take it out. There should be some clips. Yeah, there's a clip right there. Clip on this side. More clips there. Let's excuse me. Let's unclip those. So this is the piece that we need. You just follow the circle and you just unclip all the clips on the circle. Alright, it should come out. And let's put it on the new one right here. So there are 4 snaps. 1, 2, where my thumb is, 3, and right there, number 4. So those are the 4 snap rings that you have to unsnap and snap on. All right, let's try to put this back in there. Okay, so in reverse order is to put these tabs back on, and then put the 3 screws in, and then close the steering column. All right, let's do it. All right, 3 screws are in, the harness is in. Snap this back closed. This came like this. Let's wait a little bit longer before I put it in. No, next step is the wheel. Let's put the 2 screws down here and then put the wheel in. And then we'll impact it in. All right, let's do this. Put the white tab in, yellow with yellow, orange to orange. Just gotta push it in. It needs a little bit force. And then steering goes on there, and then the 2 screws on the side.